There's a world outside my door, something like a dream. Everything we've waited for, can you feel it coming? It's a new beginning. There I was again tonight, forcing laughter, faking smiles, same old tired, lonely place. Walls of insincerity, shifting eyes and vacancy, vanished when I saw your face. All I can say is it was enchanting to meet you.
I will always remember you as my childhood friend. Palagi tayo naglalaro sa labas kung nasa may bunga pa tayo. And now I'm so proud to see you all grown up. And I wish you the best in the future.
Conversation starts, counter all your quick remarks, like passing notes in secrecy. And it was enchanting to meet you. All I can say is I was
Jasmine, may pagkamasungit pero mabait na bata. Pati kapatid niya tinuturuan niya sa pag-aaral.
This night is sparkling, don't you let it go. I'm wonderstruck, rushing all the way home. I'll spend forever wondering if you knew.
Ang gusto ko lang sa'yo, mag-focus ka sa pag-aaral mo. Tapos, pag nasa pag-aaral ka na, may barkada. Piliin mo ang barkada mo. May barkadang alam mo na. So, gano'n.
I'll spend forever wondering if you knew I was enchanted to meet you.
Happy birthday, Ate Jasmine. Sana magpatuloy yung pag-aaral mo, makapagtapos ka ng hanggang kolehiyo po, hanggang sa maayos mo yung lahat. Marami pa, basta tuloy niyo lang po.
This was the very first page, not where the storyline ends. My thoughts will echo your name until I see you again.
Always be responsible daughter and always honor and love your parents. Happy birthday!
I was enchanted to meet you.
Sana mag-aral ka hanggat sa matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. Huwag mo na mag-aasawa kasi ang pag-aaral, yan lang ang aking maibibigay sa'yo. Baka bait ka na. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Nak. I love you.
Happy birthday, Ate.
This night is sparkling, don't you let it go. I'm wonderstruck, rushing all the way home. I'll spend forever wondering if you knew.
Gusto ko lang iparating from one woman to another. I hope you always chase your dreams and live life the way you want to. Don't let anyone define who you are kasi ikaw lang ang tunay na nakilala sa sarili mo. Choose peace, protect your energy, and enjoy every moment from here on.